Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Juke door handle. First, gather your essential tools: a trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, a Torx T25 bit, and your new door handle. Ensure your workspace is clean and well lit for safety. Park your Nissan Juke on a level surface and engage the parking brake to begin this straightforward process. Having everything ready will make the job much smoother and quicker. Now, let's move to the interior. Carefully use your trim removal tool to pry off the small plastic cover located behind the interior door handle. Next, you'll find two Phillips head screws, one behind that cover and another in the armrest. Remove both. Then, gently work your way around the door panel's edges, prying to release the clips. Once all clips are free, lift the entire panel upwards to remove it completely. With the interior panel removed, you can now access the handle mechanism. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the window switch assembly. Then, locate and remove the two Torx T25 screws that secure the door handle in place. These are crucial for releasing the handle. Finally, carefully detach the linkage rods connected to both the handle and the lock mechanism. Take your time here to avoid bending or damaging anything. To install your new door handle, begin by connecting the linkage rods to the new assembly, ensuring they are securely attached. Next, position the new handle and fasten it with the two Torx T25 screws you previously removed. Reconnect the electrical connector to the window switch. Finally, align the door panel clips and press firmly around the edges to snap it back into place. Don't forget to test the new handle and window operation before closing the door.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.